In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to discover hidden Google Calendar features that can enhance your productivity and make your scheduling easier and more efficient. Let's dive right in and explore some of these lesser-known functions that can help streamline your calendar management. To begin, make sure you're signed into your Google account and navigate to Google Calendar. If you're new to Google Calendar, it's accessible via your browser, or you can download the app on your mobile device. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is your gateway to the settings. Click on it to open the drop-down menu and select Settings. Inside the settings, you have various sections on the left-hand side. The General tab will give you access to a broad range of customizable features. For instance, adjusting the time zone settings can be crucial if you travel frequently or coordinate with people in different locations. Scroll down to the Event Settings section, where you can adjust the default event duration, allowing you to better control how much time you allocate for your typical meetings. Next, switch to the Add Calendar option by returning to the main calendar page. You'll find this under the Other Calendars section on the left side. Here you can add calendars that interest you, such as holidays specific to a country or even the phases of the moon, which could be useful for certain professional or personal planning. Once you've set up your calendars, managing visibility is the next step. Make your way to the specific calendar you want to adjust in the My Calendars section. Click on the three dots next to it and select Settings and Sharing. You can control who sees your calendar and adjust how much detail they can view, ensuring any private information remains confidential while still sharing what's necessary. Now, let's explore event notifications, which can help you stay on top of your plans efficiently. By navigating back to Event Settings and then selecting the specific calendar you wish to modify, you can adjust default notifications. Choose options ranging from email alerts to pop-up notifications right on your screen, tailoring how far in advance you want to be notified to help keep your schedule organized. Lastly, don't forget to make use of the color coding feature. This can be a game changer for visual learners or those who manage multiple projects simultaneously. Simply click on the three dots next to a calendar's name and select Choose a Custom Color. Assign distinct colors to different calendars, helping you visually differentiate between work, personal activities, and any other categories at a quick glance. As we wrap up, remember these hidden gems in Google Calendar can greatly enhance how you manage your time, ensuring you're organized and prepared. Enjoy experimenting with these features, and I hope they make your scheduling tasks more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content.